Yun yung goal. Maging happy. Do whatever makes you happy. Hi, familiar ba kayo kay Kenty? Basta content creator siya, yung may frog hat. So, lahat ng sinasabi niya, laging nakaka-encourage. So, meron siyang post na nakita ko and sabi niya, in 100 years, lahat tayong 8 billion people, deads naman na. So, non-verbatim pero sabi niya, sige, make the first move, post that video, post that photo. Kasi, after that 100 years, it will not matter naman eh. Wala naman. Siguro wala. And parang, takeaway ko lang is, that's why I do this. That's why kahit nakakahiya. And kahit it took me, how many years? It's ilang years na ako naggagawa ng mga video. Laging hindi ko tinutuloy kasi nahihiya ako. Pero yun, siguro isang araw magigising ka na lang na marirealize mo na it's okay to do the things that you love. It's okay to do things that makes you happy. Even though other people can't understand. Kahit nakikringe sila or whatever. Kasi yun yung mas nagmamatter eh. Diba? Nalala ko tuloy yung bata na tinanong siya na, what do you wanna be when you grow up? Happy, kanya. And yun. Yun yung goal. Be happy. And of course, to maximize everything that the Lord has created. Alam mo yun? To live this life to the fullest. Yung ma-experience mo lahat ng creations niya. Makita mo, ma-experience mo. Makapunta tayo sa iba't ibang lugar. Intindihan natin yung science of everything. Ano no? Hindi natin isipin, isang tuldok lang tayo sa universe. Do whatever makes you happy.